Penobscot County officials are rushing to resolve multiple errors after receiving a notice from the IRS that the county owes nearly $360,000 in penalties and unpaid taxes.
News Center Maine's Drew Peters has more from county officials on how they are addressing this issue and what could happen if the errors are not fixed.
This federal lien is just one of several penalty notices the IRS says it sent to Penobscot County over the past year. But it's something county officials say they only received this month.
If we had known about it sooner, we would have reacted much sooner.
County Administrator Scott Adkins says the alleged lack of communication has made finding what caused the nearly $360,000 penalty difficult. When News Center Maine asked for comment, an IRS representative stated, "By law, we cannot provide additional information beyond what is already in the notice of federal lien."
We really struggled to get in touch with anybody. It appeared that the Bangor office had been closed. We struck out in Portland as well.
But after getting connected to the IRS with help from County Treasurer Glenn Moore and Senator Susan Collins, Adkins says they're zeroing in on the documents causing the issue.
So this is the form we're talking about, the 1095C. The county has to track and identify to the IRS what months that the employee that we have on record had our insurance.
There's an error in when we filed or how we uploaded it.
Errors that county officials say stemmed from short staffing and ongoing changes about whether or not the document is required for tax returns.
There's just a lot of confusion, a lot of different deadlines, a lot of people unaware of what specific things needed to be done.
In addition to having to pay the penalty, Morris says failure to fix this problem could also put county resources at risk.
The lien is for property, so they can take our property. They can impose a levy, which will freeze our checking accounts.
That's why the county's financial office is working to resubmit each incorrect document, some dating back as far as 2021.
We want to get this taken care of just as fast as anybody else.
And following those resubmissions, a hearing with the IRS will decide whether the lien is resolved.
They can say, no, you owe the penalties, or maybe we'll take part of it, or maybe we'll take none of it.
Penobscot County officials say they plan on having the corrected documents ready for resubmission in the next couple weeks. In Bangor, Drew Peters, News Center, Maine.
County officials also say they'll be hiring a payroll company to file their tax forms to avoid any errors moving forward.